as you mentioned, as a starter, as a person who doesn't have any skill, can they start freelancing? This is a question which every day I get from a lot of students. So, and we have made a lot of students successful without having any skills they didn't knew. Okay, like there are a lot of such jobs which a person can do without having any knowledge. For example, you can do, if you, like everyone has studied till 12th, okay? At least any person after having 10th or 12th education, they can easily do freelancing on any platforms. Now, what kind of jobs you can do is, you can do voiceover jobs, you can do transcription job. Then there are a lot of students, those who are very much active on social media. If you see, our youngsters are whole day on social media, whether on Insta, whether on, I don't know how to use all these platforms seriously, but the students are so quick on these platforms. So you can manage the social media of a lot of companies, lot of individuals. You can create a leads for people. Like if I don't know any work, at least if someone asks me that, can you create a list of startups in US, startups in Mumbai, what I can do, I can just Google it, I can find out, and I can create a list for a company, right? So these are the basic things which anyone who doesn't have any skill, they can start their freelancing using these skills. If you want to add something in your CV, then what you should do is, you can always mention what kind of contracts, what kind of things you have done with different companies. As if you are a freelancer with different companies from different countries, you know their names and everything, you know. So at least that you can mention in your CV, number one. Number two, you'll always, when you're working with people from different countries, you know the laws of different countries, right? So it becomes very easier for you to share these things, share your samples which you have worked for those when you are going for recruitment. Like suppose if someone asks that, what is a proof that you have done this? You can definitely at least show them some kind of proof that, yeah, this is what you have done. You can also show your profiles to them. You can share your links of your profile, which will give them a complete understanding of your knowledge and from when you started this, what kind of jobs you have done. It creates a different kind of impact because it shows that how enthusiastic you are in different kind of work, how open you are to take different kind of challenges in your life. So definitely it will be an add-on in your CV for sure. As a beginner, I would say a person should be diligent. Number one, I don't want any other skills to be posted over here. A person should be diligent, sincere, and quick to respond to clients, and ready to create different samples. Like if I don't know anything, but I should be open to do some voiceover, whatever I mentioned earlier. I don't want to take a lot of time, but yes, you should be diligent, number one. Second is patient, so that you don't lose your patience while finding the opportunities. Number three, you should be open to create different kind of samples. These are the 3-4 things that if you have, anyone can succeed in their life by using the existing skills.